What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Today I will be looking at VidIQ and how you can increase your income using this software and YouTube. This amazing software I'm using, and I'm going to talk to you about what is VidIQ, how to use it, how to find trending videos, how to find keywords, different pricing options, and my recommendation. And lastly, I will talk about the 3Ds of YouTube, which you need to comply to rank higher. And using VidIQ, I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. Click on the link below for a free proven strategy to create your own online business. If you need more information like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell not to miss any forthcoming videos. Let's talk about the 3Ds of YouTube. The first D, discovery. YouTube needs to discover your videos. They need to see you and find you. Your latest video could be great, but if YouTube do not see you, this does not help. So we must make sure that we discoverable when you upload a video. The second D, delivery. Are you delivering value to your audience? This is what YouTube want to see. And YouTube is watching, and if you do not deliver value, they will not promote you. So this is very important to remember. Your audience must watch your video and stay on your video. This is what YouTube is looking for. The third D, distribution. If you have the first two Ds correct, then YouTube will suggest your videos and distribute it to bigger audience. So this is the YouTube criteria. Now that you know what YouTube wants, let's look how VidIQ can help us to get the 3Ds correct and get ranked in YouTube. VidIQ comes with a Chrome plugin that you can install. You have to install this on your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Install this and then you can go to any YouTube channel and check it out. You will see that after installing this app, you will see some additional tabs on every single page on your YouTube channel. Now let's look at my channel. And here you can see there's additional tabs that wasn't there before I installed VidIQ. And on the side you will also see the little arrows and VidIQ, all the additionals that we can use. And I will go through each one of them, showing you what we can use. Just like with any project, before you do it, you have to search and do research on what you're planning to do and what video you're going to make and what is the value to your audience. So when I start with my video making, I want to see what is the search options. So let's type in the search box, make money. And now we're going to look using VidIQ and see what is the competition and the search volume. Search volume is low, but competition is very high. So this is not an easy title to rank. So let's look if we can change this to much easier ranking titles. So we will go back to the search and we will do the alphabetic walkthrough. First A, check all the words with A that is available. C, D, E, F. In VidIQ, there's an autocomplete. And when we just type one letter of the alphabet, it gives us all the search that was done with the letter. So like software, Snapchat, song in the S. So this helps us a lot to see what was searched, because we're not always thinking of all the search terms. So let's look at the other end. Now we're going to put a prefix on to make money. We will say how make money, and then you can see again volume search very high and competition very high. Now we type the next word, when to make money. All high, volume high and competition high, so this won't work. Where to make money. Now we look again, and it shows again this is definitely not the best option. So now we're going to use the next word. Why do we make money? And all these type of questions we're putting in is called query function in VidIQ. And if we type this, we can see the volume, search volume, and the competition. So let's look at second income, if it's still high. Search volume is high, but competition is low. So this would be an option to use this title, and you will rank because there's not a lot of competition. Second income, when do we have a second income? There you can see competition rate is already higher than before. So this is how we use this tool effectively to see how we can rank on YouTube. Now we're moving to the left side of the screen. So let's look at competitors. This is my two competitors I have to compete with, and they're both very good. So I have to make sure when I make videos that I don't use the same thumbnails or the same titles. Otherwise, I will never have a chance. We can also change it to this month, the last 7 days, or we can make it this week and just see what happened in this week. So there's choices. Now we're looking at trends. What is the trends? So I just set up my first trend as I haven't done it before. As we want to make sure we're also contributing to trends, it's good to use the trend alert from VidIQ. Now we're looking at the most viewed videos. So we also type in our keywords and check out. Here we have make money the most viewed videos. We have to check the title, we have to check the thumbnail, and which one that we see will be the one that attracts us the best. So the most watched videos. This will give you an idea of what videos are liked by YouTube and which topics are currently used for videos. We're done with the research part if we finished all of this that we did now. Searching keywords, searching trends, searching what's most viewed. Now we have to go forward to the next part of VidIQ. And this will be to look at the channel audit. Looking at the channel audit from VidIQ, it gives us a lot of information. First, how many views, is your views up or down? How many subscribers you have this month? You can see my subscribers is less instead of the same as the previous month. I might have a launch, and this is why this month is lower, as long as I take note of it. Then the minutes watched is up. Furthermore, they give us content to double down on. It means this is the things and this is the videos that your audience liked. So we must make more videos related to these topics, or use more of the same thing to make more videos. Also, engagement was good, videos were good, and subscribers gained. Here you can see which videos brought you some subscribers. And of course, you have your competitors, so you can also relate to what your competitors are doing. The next part, total watch time. Here we can see how much time in minutes was spent on your videos. Also, we can see average watch time and product reviews, and of course, again, the non-owned suggesteds. So here we can also see what YouTube suggested to us. And then lastly, we have the content that could use work. So here we can see what was not so good in our channel and what should we do not to make the same mistakes. So I love the way VidIQ do the channel audit and give you more than enough to work on your channel and make sure that you improve each time with each video. Now here we can also see title length was good, description length, next one was good, tags good, playlist, and here my SEO was down. Usually it's over 40 to 50, but this month I don't know, it went a little down. And then videos without end cards, there's 4 of them, so I have to make sure that I have end cards on all the videos. The rest of this is okay. If I click on the 4, I can see which videos don't have end cards, and I can immediately change it from here. So it also makes it easy to fix the problem if you find it. Now the next thing, the title and the thumbnail. This is 2 very important aspects of our video. We must make sure that the title and thumbnail are the same. Also, the description and the links that we put in our description. Another feature I like from VidIQ is to show you when is the best time to post your videos. Because if you can post your video when the most people are watching, it will give the idea to YouTube that people are immediately watching your video. And this is what YouTube would like to see. So we must make sure to check which is the best time for you to post videos. The next feature is the tags. Although tags are not as important as before, we still have to look at our tags, our SEO, and VidIQ have suggested tags that fits your title and your video. So we must use all this to make sure that we have the best options for the video that we're uploading. If you decide to sign up for the VidIQ, there's a lot of training courses that will help you to make the best of your VidIQ and to use it the effective way. I'm happy I signed up for VidIQ. It really made a difference in my video making and my success. My recommendation about VidIQ: use the basic version, the free version, and see if you like it. If you really want, then you will go up to the pro version, and basic version worked for me for quite a while. I'm currently using the pro version, but start for free. It gives you more than enough what you need. The boost is quite a lot of money, $39 per month, and then the expensive one is for big companies who really needs a lot of features. But my recommendation, it's a good product to have. Start with free and see if you like it. And here you can see, although it's limited as a free version, you still have a lot of features to support your video making. If you need more information like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell not to miss my next forthcoming videos. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide content videos, tutorials, and reviews to help you grow your online business. Click on the link below for a free proven strategy to create your own online business. I will also leave the link for VidIQ below. Sign up for free and see what it can do for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time. on the other side of the screen.